Congratulations on getting access to the VideoFlow widget. Here is a demo for you. So to get started, we're going to click on the New Widget button. Then we're going to select the VideoFlow widget option. Then you're going to give your VideoFlow widget a name and optional description. Now it's time to add your first video. So you're going to choose from one of the four options here, either from the video library, record on the fly, upload an existing video, or create a link that you can send to your mobile phone. Now it's time to give your video a name and optional call to action text. Now you can add the next video in your flow or save changes and go to the widget setup page. All right, now it's time to set up your VideoFlow widget. Okay, so we're going to connect your videos, click the Add Channel button, and then from the channels, select Video Link. Select which video from your flow you'd like to connect to this channel button. Now when this channel button is clicked, it'll instantly load and play the video that it's connected to. You can also connect more videos or other connection channels. For example, go to the next video or email us or text us, etc. Now just repeat the process with additional videos in your flow. You can connect your videos and add connection channels. And that's it.